sometimes the real reason your channel is not growing is because you are quitting too early, right? And then sometimes the real reason your channel is not growing is because you don't know when to change pattern on that particular channel, right? You should have changed your pattern some months ago and you have still not changed, and that is why your channel is not growing. You're still sticking to the old rules. There's no subscribers, there's no watch hours. It's not even working for you. You see, the hard part is not posting, right? The hard part is knowing which situation you're currently in among these two things and knowing how to get yourself out of it, right? That is why in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to tell the difference between where you have to stay consistent or whether it's time to change direction. Ignoring any of this is how channels actually die slowly. So stick around, guys, and watch this video. If it's your first time seeing me, my name is Joy. I share tips about YouTube growth, okay? So feel free to subscribe if your plan is to get monetized very fast, and as well like this video and let me know your comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, okay? And as well share to other creators to also learn and help them figure out where they belong to. Now, growth on YouTube is actually confusing, especially for new creators or creators that have been stuck. It means, especially when YouTube doesn't know who you are. So the question is not, should I keep posting? The real question is that, is YouTube actually learning who my content is for, or is it as confused as my audience or even myself? Now, we're going to start with the consistency part, when you should keep posting, right? Now, if you should keep posting if these things are true about your channel. Now, the first of all, if the impressions are slowly increasing, that is the impressions you are getting from your uploads, your videos, your posts, even if the views are not so much, but you're seeing that there's an improvement over time, guys, in this situation, you can actually keep posting because it means there is hope, right? The channel will actually go viral someday and get noticed, and you start giving you all the views and subscribers that you desire. It means YouTube is still testing your content and your channel, right? Now, the second thing is, if some videos perform noticeably better than others, like you notice the difference, maybe you post 5 videos, the 5 of them will not do the same. Some will do well and others will not. Probably out of those 5 videos that you posted, 2 actually did well, and you find out that they are on the same basic topic, then you can keep posting, because this is a strong signal that YouTube is actually working on your channel. Do you understand? It means YouTube is working on your channel. Now, in this situation, you can actually keep posting. Now, the third thing is when your audience retention is stable or improving, how long your audience are watching. If it's increasing, then it's a good sign that you should keep posting, guys. It's only when it's decreasing that you have to think about your channel, because if it's not increasing, you will not be getting watch hours nor subscribers. So even small improvements matters a lot, because that impression is telling YouTube that this channel might actually work and people are finding your content interesting gradually. And now the fourth thing is, if your comment shows clarity. Do you understand? If people say things like, thank you for sharing, this was so helpful, I had fun watching this, I'm happy I came across this video, things like this that are relatable and appreciation comments, okay, it means YouTube is going to keep pushing your channel, because when YouTube sees this, they are like, wait, I think this content is good. If people keep asking you follow-up questions, it means you are building trust. So even if it might be slow, the growth is still there, and YouTube sees this, it means you are doing something good, and YouTube acknowledges and appreciates this. So in this situation, changing direction can actually hurt your channel. So you don't change direction in this situation. Instead, you keep improving, you keep posting, you keep learning what works for your content and your channel, okay, and what your audience likes. So guys, if you are noticing all of this in your content or your channel, all of these are clear signs that you should keep posting, that you should keep being consistent and working on that channel. Now, back to when to know when to actually change direction. Guys, you should actually think about changing direction seriously if you have actually posted maybe like 30 to 60 long form videos on the same schedule, guys, like repeatedly with same effort, and nothing is improving. There's no impression, there's no growth, no returning viewers, there is no appreciation comments, there is no video performing better than the rest. All of them are just struggling. They're in the same struggling lane. Guys, something is wrong. It's that the topic doesn't have demand, it's very low in demand, because trust me, low in demand topic is equal to low growth, while oversaturated demand is also low growth. Do you understand me? Now you have to pick a topic that actually has balance. It has demand and is not oversaturated, so you can become relevant in that field. Because trust me, before you came on that particular niche, a lot of people have been there, like a lot, right? So your videos not performing well can actually be one of these problems, either because the topic doesn't have demand or the audience is too much, like it's too large for you to be popping up. There are so many people already doing well there. Now, and the last point is, if the promise you gave to people in your videos is not fulfilled. Do you understand? This doesn't mean you have to start over completely. Like I just said, I'm teaching you how to get 4,000 watch hours the right way. So I'm already giving you tips. So your video should actually be as in be giving what it promised initially. Okay, I'm not asking you to change your niche. Just change your angle, change your approach. You already picked a niche. For you to do 30 videos to 60 videos on that particular video or niche, it means you are good with it. So just switch it up a little. Add spice. Do you understand? Now I'm going to be teaching you how to change direction without actually hurting your channel. Because the worst thing you can do is when you start a very hard reset on your channel. Like you're going to delete all of your channel history even without knowing it. And that alone can actually hurt your channel. So don't suddenly upload something that is not totally related to what you've been posting. Don't delete old videos, don't panic. Instead, do these three things, guys. Now pick one new format or direction and test it with like 3 to 5 videos. The same audience that you've been talking to. Maybe if you've been starting with a very slow or weak hook, change it. Make the interesting part the beginning of your video. Okay, make it very different from how you've been presenting it. Now pick a topic that is more curious driven, more topic as in topic that has more interest, more value, more demands. Look out for your impressions, your click-through rates, and your returning viewers. See if there's anything that is changing at all better than the way it was before, because all of these small things actually equals growth. So if your impressions are increasing and you are getting returning subscribers, then something has changed, right? Something has changed. If those ones actually improve, it means you have found a bit of clarity. And if you can continue like that and it continues to improve, then you have found clarity. But if it doesn't improve, then you need to adjust your style again. Change your style, guys. This is how small creators actually confuse the algorithm and get benefit from it. Do you understand? Tweak it, change your style and see how it is. So after watching this video, guys, please go back to your channel, check all of these things I've said, your impressions, your returning viewers. Basically just check all of your videos that have been performing very well. Have they been increasing? Check all of your videos you have posted. Have they been increasing? Have they been decreasing? If you have any category you fall into after watching this video, please either you use the changing pattern or you keep posting. Do you understand? If you fall into the category that needs to keep posting or that need to change style, then you already know what to do from this video I've been explaining. So thank you for watching, guys. If this video has been helpful, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also share to other people so that they can learn and solve whatever challenge they've been having. Okay, thank you for watching to this point, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.